Oh, hello there, Jim Callaghan in Eleven Bomb Exploder.
Hello boss, did you need me for something?
Ah yes, well it seems we are having some complaints from the other employees that there are goat noises coming from your desk. Care to tell me what is going on?
Oh yes, well you see the goat noises are from my wife. We were having sex at my desk and she got kind of loud.
You were having sex with your wife at your desk and she was making goat sounds. Why was she making such strange sounds?
She wasn't making strange sounds. She's supposed to sound like a goat, because she's a goat.
You married a goat. In what country could you do this in?
The country of butterflies and rainbows and unicorns in a small town called Dallas, Texas.
Wow, that sounds so magical and wonderful. Can you marry other animals there as well, or is it just goats?
No, you can marry anything except men, they just don't roll that way.